The grasslands of Kazakhstan whisper stories of brave heroes and exciting adventures. These stories, told over and over for many years, tell us about a time when heroes rode across the huge land. One name is remembered more than any other: Koblandy Batyr, a super-strong warrior. Koblandy is the spirit of the Kazakh people. His story is all about courage, loyalty, and always helping his people. Koblandy's life was full of big battles and amazing acts of bravery. He fought scary enemies and won, always fighting so his people could be free and happy. His name means strength and fairness, a bright light of hope in hard times. His story still inspires us today, showing us how important courage and sticking together are. Koblandy's story isn't just a story, it shows how strong the Kazakh people are. He shows their love of freedom, their respect for old ways, and their bravery when things are tough. His story teaches us about a cool culture where being brave and honorable was just how people lived. Koblandy's story starts, like many great stories, with a special birth. Born into a time of trouble and fighting, amazing things happened when he was born. The wise men saw that he would be a true Batyr, a warrior who would do great things. They said Koblandy would lead his people to a great future. Even as a kid, Koblandy was super strong. There are many stories about how strong he was. He could lift a sheep with one hand. He could run faster than the fastest horses. He had a fire inside him, a strong will that made him special. His parents knew he was special and helped him learn and grow. They taught him to be honorable, loyal, and to respect the old ways of their people. Koblandy learned how to fight, how to use a sword, a bow and arrow, and an axe. He grew bigger and stronger, and also smarter and better at planning. Koblandy went from a strong kid to a respected warrior by facing tough challenges and winning. He practiced his fighting skills in real battles, fighting dangerous animals and other tribes. Each win, each scar made him known as a powerful warrior. He wasn't just brave, he was smart and good at planning. He learned how to understand what was happening in a battle. Like a shepherd knows the stars, he knew what his enemies would do and how to stop them. Koblandy knew that real strength wasn't just about muscles, but about inspiring and uniting his people. He became a symbol of hope, someone people could follow to find peace and happiness. His fame spread all over and people wanted to fight with him. They saw he was a true leader, brave, kind, and always wanting to help his people. Koblandy didn't want power for himself, but used it to protect those who needed help and defend his home. The Kalmyks, a strong tribe from the west, were always causing problems for the Kazakh people. They kept attacking, stealing animals, and making it hard to trade. Koblandy knew they were dangerous and told his warriors to fight them. The battles were big and scary, even for the bravest warriors. Koblandy was really good at planning battles. He knew how the Kalmyks fought and used it against them. He led his warriors in quick attacks, surprising the Kalmyks and stopping them from getting supplies. Koblandy and his warriors were smart and brave, and they stopped the Kalmyks, protecting their homes and families. His wins against the Kalmyks showed everyone how great a warrior and leader he was. Even his enemies respected him, and his people were always loyal to him.